Hi, my name is Omar. I'm from San Diego, California, and I came to Arkana as, I want to call it a last resort. I was in a really bad place in my life, going through a relationship transition. I was moving. My parents had recently died the last year, and I was just feeling very ungrounded and lost. I definitely had some depression. I was on weeds, smoking every night, just numbing my feelings. And I just didn't like where my life was going. So I was looking for ayahuasca retreats, and just looking online, I noticed this one place that was just getting stellar reviews from everybody. I just kept reading the reviews one after another, and I really liked it, so I signed up. It was probably the best decision I've made as an adult, because in just a short week I saw so much growth in myself and just so much amazing progress that I even surprised myself. I didn't think it would be possible. In a few days after a couple of ayahuasca ceremonies, which were, I'm not gonna sugarcoat, it was difficult. I struggled quite a bit, but thanks to the guidance of the facilitators and the shamans here, they helped me get through it. And also the medicine has a way to help out in ways that are least expected. And so I just went through the process. I trusted the process as they recommend, and sure enough, after a few days, I started feeling better and more confident with each success, each challenge that I overcome. I found myself. I found self-love, which is kind of what I was looking for. Right now I'm at the point where I could probably go home right now and feel great, but I'm gonna spend yet another week at the Sacred Valley facility, and I want to experience more of it. And I totally recommend this to anybody who's thinking about it. Do your research and everything, but once you've made that decision, just know that you're in really good hands. Everybody here is so lovely and caring, and they want to help you. And I've totally, I understand now why they're doing this work here. It's definitely something that you can't find in Western, psychotherapy or medicine, or none of that helped me personally. So with that, I just want to invite you to come and check it out for yourself and see what this is all about. And I hope and wish for you success as well. Thank you.